You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words and break down the pronunciation. Both British English and American English are a bit different, so let's break them down. British English. UK, how to pronounce mystery, mystery, 3 syllables, stress on the first syllable, mystery. Now the American English pronunciations swallows a bit the second syllable, the t syllable. The Americans and others often say it as mystery. Alright, so they skip the t syllable, mystery, mystery, American English, or mystery, British English, even though some use both pronunciations in the UK or the US. It's not just US, UK. Mystery or mystery, both pronunciations are correct. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.